Welcome back. The women of Ndoi in Oneilau were over the moon when the Prime Minister accepted an invitation to open their women's hall on the island. Commodore Bainimarama said he was relayed the invitation by the Minister for Women after her tour recently. The hall is being used by the women of Ndoi to generate income for its members. The hall was partly funded by the Ministry of Women. The Prime Minister Commodore Vorengen Bainimarama took much pleasure in opening the Mai Nasongolevu Hall, a project of the women of Ndoi village in Oneilau last week. Commodore Bainimarama had been invited by the women of the village to open their hall in their self-help project funded by the Ministry of Women. Commodore Bainimarama used the opportunity to find out more about the self-help projects being carried out by the women of Ndoi. According to Serafina Tolu of the Ndoi Women's Group, the women are very happy that the Prime Minister accepted their invitation.
Well, actually, Ndoi is far from Fiji, from Suva, and I think this is great. This is very helpful to the ladies in Oneilau.
Serafina said some of the women are sent to Viti Levu to learn different skills which are then taught to the women in the village. The handicrafts and wares made by the women are then sold to generate income for their families.
Actually, we always send the ladies over to Viti Levu to learn and develop something very good. Skills from Viti Levu, and they have to come back to our center and they have to teach the other ladies skills of making a soap from coconut and plaiting baskets and making flowers from tapa and flowers from the what you call this plant, flower. Anyway, and they teach the other ladies for what they teach from, go and learn from the other side. Very grateful. We just thank the government and what they've done to especially to this island in Ndoi. They built out our center.
Netball Fiji presented their itatau to the Prime Minister Commodore Vorengen Bainimarama this morning. The team leaves our shores this Saturday for the World Cup Championships in Singapore. Commodore Vorengen Bainimarama received the itatau on behalf of His Excellency the President Ratu Epeli Naila Tekau, who is away on official engagements in the Middle East. The Prime Minister told the team that he was receiving the itatau on behalf of the people and government of Fiji, and he wished the team well with hopes that will produce positive outcomes.
You're not going to an ordinary tournament. You're going to the World Cup, and there'll be a lot of pressure on you. Having said that, we expect you to be jumping like 6'6" girls in the South African team, and the English team, and the New Zealand team, and we hope that you will come out as winners. And on behalf of the government of Fiji and again the people of Fiji, I wish you well in the tournament and hope that you will come back as champions.
Commodore Bainimarama also congratulated the team for giving their best in Papua New Guinea at the Pacific Championship. Team manager Asanada Wanganivavalani said the team preparation is going well except for 2 niggling injuries on a few players. She said this is not a big concern and they will be up and running by next week when they arrive in Singapore.
This team has, I believe, has got it all. As we've seen in the past Pacific Netball Series that we had. The unity that they have, which is very important. We believe in that Bible verse, where there's unity, God commands His blessing. So those were some of the key areas that this team has. We have a mixture of experience and very young players, but the coaches have taken vigorous training through during the preparation, and I would say they are fit, physically fit, and we just need to brush on mental toughness. Especially with New Zealand as our first game. But I know that with most of them, they've represented the country. They know the importance of winning and the importance of playing well and just playing their best for the country.
The team will leave this Saturday, the 25th of June, to enable the players acclimatize to the conditions in Singapore. All the best, ladies. Make Fiji proud. And that's it from the news team. You can email us your comments to fijifocustv@info.gov.fj or call us on 3314 688. Until then, thank you for joining us. Good night.